Hi, Paul Hefty here. I want to start off with our leadership series talking about developing a leadership philosophy. We'll talk about why that's important, and then we'll look specifically here in this series on different models of leadership and how you could apply that to the design of your coaching portfolio. Let's take a look. So first off, why have a philosophy? As it says here, this actually serves as your foundation to your leadership style, but more importantly, to help you make difficult decisions. The thing that we always talk about in design of a coaching portfolio, the reason for it is so that you have the ability to be proactive in dealing with what are called what ifs, and then you kind of have this standard that you can set versus a set of rules. Again, you're talking about people here and not a process so much. And so it's important to have a strong philosophy that can act as a guide so you're just not reacting emotionally to situations. All right, one of the first role models here is at Penn State, kind of a legend, women's volleyball coach, Russ Rose. You can see here, one of the things we want to do as you're researching role models so that you can learn and maybe apply some of those concepts to your philosophy, whether it's ethics, whether it's leadership, or whether it's just in your coaching style. So we want to dig deep, understand their whole history, go all the way back. There's some great articles here you'll see and some videos that give you a better understanding of Russ and his style and how he applied it to be so successful over the years. But again, 43 years of coaching at Penn State. You can see all the wins in Division I, #1, conference titles, NCAA titles. So pretty amazing resume and pretty amazing human being. Next is Pat Summitt, who was at the University of Tennessee as a women's basketball coach. Again, incredible resume. The over 1,000 wins, 8 NCAA titles. She was a silver medalist in the Olympics as a player, but then a gold medalist head coach also. More importantly, the Presidential Medal of Freedom from Barack Obama and the Arthur Ashe Courage Award, 2012. Unfortunately, she passed away in 2016, but for women leaders with women's sports, just an incredible role model to research. Last one then is John Wooden, passed away in 2010, but just like Pat Summitt was the legend of men's college basketball. You can see here 10 NCAA titles in a 12-year span at UCLA. Also was a great player, just like Pat Summitt. And see, he was first person in the Basketball Hall of Fame as a player and a coach. The thing that is impressive about his style and made an impact was he was very much a teacher, very detail-oriented, and was big on sport ethics. As the quote says there, the little things matter. Make sure you watch the bio video by ESPN. It's got testimonials from his players about all the different things and cues and sayings he had that he used with basketball, but they transferred into their lives and had such an impact on them. Again, you want to use this research of role models and leadership and be able to apply that to the design of your own coaching portfolio. You're not going to try to emulate them, but you can take some concepts that fit your personality and inject that into the design of your philosophy. Thanks.